In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dispose of a fixed asset in Xero. Disposing of a fixed asset is an essential part of asset management, especially when the asset is sold, scrapped, or donated. This process in Xero ensures that your records are up to date and accurately reflect the financial standing of your business. To get started, first head over to Xero and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the screen and click on the Accounting tab. This will take you to the accounting dashboard where you can access various options and features related to your financial records. From the accounting dashboard, locate and click on Fixed Assets. This is where all your registered assets are stored and managed. It's important to note that only registered assets can be disposed of, so ensure the asset you intend to dispose of is properly registered within the system. After clicking on Fixed Assets, you'll see a range of assets listed. Look for the Registered section and click on it. This section lists all the assets that are currently in use or have been registered for official purposes. Once you've accessed the registered assets, scroll through the list until you find the particular asset you wish to dispose of. Click on the asset to open its details page. With the asset's details in view, find and click on the Dispose option. This is where the disposal process formally begins, and you'll be able to enter specific details about the disposal transaction. In the next step, you're required to enter the sales proceeds for the disposed of asset, if applicable. This is the amount of money received from the sale of the asset. In addition to the sales proceeds, you'll need to complete other details regarding the disposal. This might include the method of disposal, such as sale, write-off, or donation, and any associated costs or notes relevant to the transaction. Completing these details accurately is crucial to maintaining precise financial records. Once you've filled in all necessary information, click on Show Summary to review the disposal summary. This summary will show an overview of the disposal transaction, allowing you to ensure everything is recorded correctly. If any information needs adjusting, you can update this summary before proceeding. Lastly, take a moment to review the journals associated with the disposal. This step helps to verify that the journal entries are correct and correspond with the disposal transaction. Adjustments can be made here if needed, ensuring that both your financial statements and fixed asset register remain accurate. And that's it! You've successfully disposed of a fixed asset in Xero. Following these steps ensures that your asset records are properly managed and reflect the true state of your business's assets. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.